Art Integration Project. Subject Social Studies. Topic Manipur and Nagaland Wildlife and Culture. Name Piyush Pandey, Class 10th B, Roll number 38. Wildlife. Wildlife traditionally refers to undomesticated animal species but has come to include all organisms that grow or live wild in an area without being introduced by humans. Wildlife can be found in all ecosystems. Wildlife in Manipur. Manipur, like other Northeast Indian destinations, boasts rich wildlife. The state is home to the endangered species of Sangai, also known as brown antlered deer, and has vegetation of the some gradation from tropical to temperate along with the distribution and character of animal life. However, it is the addition of Malayan type fauna that adds diversity to the wildlife in Manipur. This wildlife destination is also home to 500 varieties of orchids. The state also has a unique wetland ecosystem, making the wildlife even more particular. Sangai, brown and littered deer. These endangered deer are only available in Manipur. Slow loris. Slow lorises are a group of several species of nocturnal steppe-rhinine primates that make up the genus Nymptocephus. The stump-tailed macaque. The stump-tailed macaque, Maca artoides, also called the bear macaque, is a species of macaque found in South Asia. In India, it is found in south of the Brahmaputra river in the northeastern part of the country. It is also found in Manipur. Wildlife Sanctuary and Forest in Manipur. Name of Wildlife Sanctuary WLS. Khongjai Gamba Ching Wildlife Sanctuary Manipur in 2016. Area 0.1412 km. Yangopok TV Lokchau Wildlife Sanctuary Manipur 1989. Area 184. Langol Reserve Forest. Yangokpi Lokchau Wildlife Sanctuary Map. National Parks in Manipur. Kebul Lamjau National Park. The Kebul Lamjau National Park, K Tiger Bull Vast Lamjau Large Land, is the national park in the Bishnupur district of the state Manipur in India. It is 40 km square, 15.4 square meter in area, the only floating park in the world located in the northeast India and an integral part of Lothar Lake. Langol Reserve Forest. Langol is an isolated hill range in the northern part of the Imphal Valley. Wildlife in Nagaland. Blue Hills teeming with flora and fauna, and that too in its complete isolation, makes Nagaland one of the best destinations in India for wildlife. Alluring and attractive, there might be limited wildlife reserves in Nagaland, but the unique fauna hard to find anywhere else in India. When it comes to flora, worth noticing after 350 species of wild orchids that are grown here every year. Almost all the wildlife reserves of Nagaland, that most prominent one in Antangi National Park and or Aitanki Wildlife Sanctuary, spread over 202.02 square kilometer. Antanki National Park is home to species like hooklock gilvans, palm civets, sloth bears, wild dog, golden langur, tiger, python, flying squirrel and monitor lizards. It is also an amazing place to go for bird watching. Puli Bats Wildlife Sanctuary too is known for bird watching tours. Hooklock gilvan. The Huluk gilvan are three primate species of genus Huluk in the gilvan family. Sloth bear. The sloth bear is the Myrmecopagus bear species native to the Indian subcontinent. It feeds on fruit and termites. It is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List, mainly because of habitat loss and degradation. Shaggy, dusty and unkempt, the reclusive sloth bear makes its home in the forest of the South Asia beyond insects. Palm civets. The Asian palm civets is an omnivore feeding foremost on fruits such as berries and pulpy fruits. Wildlife Sanctuary and Forest in Nagaland. Popular Naga National Parks and Wildlife Sanctuary in Nagaland. Antanki National Park, Area 6.4. In Parent District, the species found here are Hooklock gilvan, golden langur, hornbill, palm civets, black stork, tiger, white-breasted kingfisher, monitor lizard, python and sloth bear. Fakim Wildlife Sanctuary, Furfund Sam, found in Kipaya District, and examples are slender loris, wild wild boar, barking deer, sambar, bison, Himalaya bear, jungle cat, and panther. Third, Puli Badge Wildlife Sanctuary, 9.23 in area, and here found species are catch Bat Trakfun bee, and dark rumped swift apus acutiocoda, and it is in catchment area of Kohima town. Rangpar Reserve Forest. Here the species are found are deer, bear, chittals, wild goat. Antangi National Park. Antangi National Park is a national park located in Peran district of Nagaland, India. Fakim Wildlife Sanctuary. Fakim Wildlife Sanctuary, Juhibuto, situated close to the Indian-Myanmar border in the Pongoro Circle headquarters in Nagaland. That's all. This is some information about wildlife in Manipur and Nagaland. Thank you.